Hello, and welcome to the 4-H Entrepreneurs course. I'm excited you're joining us for this course, and I look forward to getting to know you and your team as you launch your own micro-enterprise. This program is specifically targeted for middle and high school youth. Through this program, youth learn how to launch their own micro-enterprise. Based off of the Lean Business Model, students will learn the basics of business, how to create a minimal viable product, how to create a go-to market plan, and finally, how to launch their business. Along the way, you will also have the opportunity to learn some basic financial management. Let's take a look at how this course will work. To begin this course, you'll start here with the Start Here button. From here, you'll see a little bit of introduction of the course, some of the course description, the objectives, how you'll be assessed, some expectations for the class. You can click on this link to learn more about myself, your instructor, and other instructors who will be helping you along the way. As you read through this, there's a little couple of assignments here at the end. One is agree to the code of ethics that we have for this course. And secondly, give an introduction to yourself. Once you've completed the Get Started button, you can go right to the next introductory class. The Introduction to 4-H Entrepreneurship is our first module. Each module will have outlined a few basic things. You will have your lesson goals, some background information that will get you started. This information will have things like videos, content, and some information to help you learn about the lesson. Each module will also have 1 or 2 team assignments. Here in Module 1, you'll see there's a group discussion question that you'll need to answer and post, and a team challenge that you'll need to answer and post as a team working together. And then each module will have a couple of individual assignments. Here there's 2 assignments for Module 1. One is an assignment where you read an article about Jay-Z, an entrepreneur, and find out what were the keys to make him successful in his business. And there'll always be an exit slip at the end of your assignment. This is a chance for you to give us feedback about what you're learning, what's working, and what's not. As you go through the course, going back to our assignment, you'll see there's a total of 8 modules. So each one will take you through the same basic steps. At any time, you can come over here to see your assignments, see what discussions are posted online, a view of your grades, who some of the people are, your quizzes, overview of the syllabus, or if you just want a breakdown of each module, you can click on here. I look forward to working with you over these next several weeks, and I hope you can reach out to me if you have questions. This will be a great adventure, and I look forward to seeing what business ideas you will be launching. Bye.